Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind 007. On today's episode, I just want to show you my Swatch, my new Swatch. It's going to be a short video about this watch right here. I'm going to put the model on the screen because I can't remember these model numbers. But this is it right here. So basically, it's a very good watch. I've been wearing it for a while, but I do want to warn you about two things. One, doesn't have anything to do with the watch, but if you go to the Swatch store and you're thinking about getting a watch and all they have is the unisex, if you're a man, I would recommend you not buy any unisex, because what they do is that the little watches are for women, the bigger watches are for men, and the unisex, they're kind of in the middle, and supposedly anybody can wear them. So sounds like a good idea, but it's actually not, because I did originally buy a unisex watch and it didn't work out. It was very tight and it was very little, and I do like the bigger dials, so that just didn't work out and I had to return it. And it's never fun to go and return a $100 watch to anywhere. So, and I know that's not the most expensive watch in the world, and it's not a Rolex, not a Patek Philippe, but it's still, you know, I don't like doing returns, and they don't like receiving returns, especially on something that is this expensive. So that's one thing. The other thing is that they have upgraded the case, the cover on the back. This is the battery cover. That's not the actual battery. So if you look at the older swatches, this is my other swatch, you're gonna see the battery cover is different. So you can use your nail or some sort of screwdriver, as long as it's big enough, and you can pull that out. And then under this cover, it's a battery, which is made in Switzerland, by the way. That's how you know it's the original battery. So what you can do is just buy a bunch of batteries. And if you want, you don't have to, because remember, Swatch will give you lifetime battery replacement. But if you don't want to go to the Swatch store, or they close down the Swatch store near you, or you moved away, you live in an island, so you can order these online and just remove that cover and put in the new battery. But the new system that they have right here is those 3 dots. And you might have to look for a tool to be able to open this. And I don't know where to find that. So for this particular watch, I am going to have to go to the Swatch store whenever it runs out of battery and have them replace it. So, because unless I can find that tool. So that's the only bad thing about it, that you cannot replace it on your own. You have to go to them. And you have to drive out there, because you might be enticed, you know, it sounds cool, you know, free battery replacement for life. Very enticing, and that's great if you live right next to the Swatch store. But I live about 45-50 minutes away from the Swatch, to the nearest Swatch store. So actually, I think I spend more money driving there than I would by just buying the batteries from the internet, like eBay or something like that. So that is definitely a downgrade. I consider it a downgrade. Although I think the lady told me that this was for security, because the kids were kids. And I don't know why anybody would give this to a kid, but kids were opening it up and swallowing the battery. So that's why they went for this instead of that. So, well, that's what she said. And I don't know what Swatch would say about that. Another thing you want to be careful with if you're buying this kind of watch, like the one on the left, is that it has a date and a day of week. So anytime you have this kind of watch with a day and date, you do want to be very careful when you set the time. You want to set it to 6:30, like where it is right now, 6:30, and then you set the time and date, which is not really fun. I wish it didn't have either. I'm only interested in time. I already know the current date, and then I have a phone. I can just look that up if I need to. But if you don't do it correctly, you can mess that up. And if you mess it up, there's no way to fix this. because it is sealed. There are no screws to open this up. This is a permanently sealed unit, and you are out of luck. So please don't do that. The instructions are horrible, by the way. It does come with instructions, but you will need a microscope to be able to read them, especially if you're my age. I'm in my 40s. There's about 1 million different languages here. You're gonna have to find your specific language, whatever that might be, and then use that microscope to read those instructions, which is terrible. I wish they would just make it more specific to the watch that you have, that they're selling you. And then over here, there's the warranty stuff. And I'm not going to show that because that's specific to my account. And last but not least, the other downgrade that they did was the, I call it a downgrade. That's just my opinion, personal opinion. This is a piece of cardboard box, and it has this thing right here. And originally they were giving you out plastic boxes that seem more durable, in my opinion. The lady that I spoke to, she claimed that they did this plastic box for some safety reasons relating to children. I don't know if I even understand that. I did not ask her to give me any examples or expand on that explanation. But I believe that Swatch just went for this just to save money on this, because these, they probably make them by millions and they cost a lot of money. So just go into boxes, they save a bunch of money. And, in this economy, I don't blame them for wanting to save a little bit of money, because things are not doing well right now. So that's another thing as far as Swatch. But overall, I'm very happy with this watch. It's very, very comfortable. When you put it on, it feels like you're not wearing anything. And very light. I use it like a dress watch. I only use it for special occasions. I do not take this to work because you will scratch it. And Swatch does offer, they'll polish it if you get it all scratched up. But the last thing I want to let you know about these watches, and this is true about any Swatch, the movement inside, it is Swiss. They make their own movements and they are loud, so you can definitely hear it. Even when you're driving down the road in your car, you'll hear that click, click, click. It can get a little bit annoying at times, but at the same time, I like knowing that I have a very unique item. It wouldn't be like the other watches that you buy for $5 that they'll have a generic movement that was made in a single factory and then just shipped out to different watch companies. This is made by Swatch. Every little thing is made by Swatch, and that's why their movement is so unique and loud. So overall, give this a 5-star out of 5. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.